Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to today's Islamic quiz. Let's test your knowledge about Islam and our beloved prophets. Are you ready? Let's begin. Quiz number 1.
Allahu Akbar.
Which surah is called the mother of the Qur'an? A. Surat Al-Baqarah. B. Surat Al-Fatiha. C. Surat Yasin. D. Surat Al-Ikhlas. Correct answer B. Surat Al-Fatiha. Quiz number 2.
Allahu Akbar.
Which prophet built the Kaaba with his son? A. Prophet Nuh. B. Prophet Ibrahim. C. Prophet Musa. D. Prophet Isa. Correct answer B. Prophet Ibrahim. Quiz number 3.
Allahu Akbar.
What was the first word revealed of the Qur'an? A. Pray. B. Read. C. Write. D. Believe. Correct answer B. Read. Quiz number 4.
Allahu Akbar.
Which battle is known as the first battle in Islam? A. Battle of Badr. B. Battle of Uhud. C. Battle of Hunain. D. Battle of Khandaq. Correct answer A. Battle of Badr. Quiz number 5.
Allahu Akbar.
Who was the first caliph after Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? A. Umar ibn al-Khattab. B. Uthman ibn Affan. C. Abu Bakr as-Siddiq. D. Ali ibn Abi Talib. Correct answer C. Abu Bakr as-Siddiq. Quiz number 6.
Allahu Akbar.
Which surah has no Bismillah at the beginning? A. Surat At-Tawbah. B. Surat Al-Kahf. C. Surat Al-Anfal. D. Surat Yasin. Correct answer A. Surat At-Tawbah. Quiz number 7.
Allahu Akbar.
How many times is the name Muhammad mentioned in the Qur'an? A. 3 times. B. 4 times. C. 5 times. D. 6 times. Correct answer B. 4 times. Quiz number 8.
Allahu Akbar.
Which prophet was swallowed by a big fish? A. Prophet Yunus A.S. B. Prophet Musa A.S. C. Prophet Dawood A.S. D. Prophet Yaqub A.S. Correct answer A. Prophet Yunus A.S. Quiz number 9.
Allahu Akbar.
What is the meaning of Islam? A. Peace and submission. B. Faith and charity. C. Knowledge and prayer. D. Strength and power. Correct answer A. Peace and submission. Quiz number 10.
Allahu Akbar.
How many surahs are there in the Qur'an? A. 112. B. 113. C. 114. D. 115. Correct answer C. 114.